Do you want to have a lot of money, a great relationship, very good health, happiness, freedom? And to achieve all this, you are applying the law of attraction, right? But you are not able to manifest your desires. Do you feel that your dreams are slipping like sand through your fingers? Do you feel that whatever you desire doesn't come to you even after struggling a lot? The law of attraction is one of the most powerful laws of this universe. And it's not merely a false belief. Unfortunately, most people don't know and don't understand this law, how it works. If you are following the law of attraction but not able to attract what you want, then this video is definitely for you. So stay tuned to this video, because I am gonna give you 5 things you must do starting today so that you can manifest all your desires and fulfill all your dreams. Hello, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it today and also click the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my future videos. So let's get started. Number 1, believe in yourself. When a bird sits on the branch of a tree, he is never afraid of its shaking. It's not because he trusts that the branch will not fall. It is because he trusts on his wings. If you don't believe in yourself, then how can you expect the law of attraction to work for you? No matter whether you go to a temple, no matter you go to a church or to a mosque, if you don't believe in yourself, nothing will work out. The moment you start believing that you will get whatever you desire, whatever you want, then the law of attraction will start working for you also. Number 2, have patience. To achieve something bigger in your life, you need to invest a great deal of time and also hard work. Most people forget this. And when there is any delay in the achievement or the things don't change much, they think that the law of attraction doesn't work. It doesn't work for them. So patience is the key to every success. Number 3, don't take stress. Imagine you want to have enough money for living a quality life. And you say to yourself every day that you will have enormous amount of money one day. Thus, your affirmations are also at work. But if you are taking stress about how this money will come to you, then all your efforts are useless and the law of attraction will not work for you. Your stress will block everything from reaching anything to you. So let yourself free from any stress, any doubt, any fear, and see the magic of the law of attraction. Number 4, take action. Suppose you want to be a great doctor and you are taking affirmations, you are visualizing also. You are doing all the techniques, but you are also a positive person, but you are not taking any action. The action which is required to fulfill your dream. So how can you expect that the things will work out for you? Do you think that just visualizing your dreams or being positive is enough? No, it is not. So you need to understand that your actions are very, very important to achieve anything you desire in your life. It's not necessary to take big steps. And someone rightly said that taking small steps in the right direction can make big things. Number 5, be committed. Before every success, there is a long line of failures. If you are attached to your success, then these failures will surely affect you. But when you are committed to your success, there will be confidence and security. So when you will experience various failures, your commitment will never let you down. Alexander Graham Bell had experienced many failures before he finally invented the telephone. If he was attached to his success, he would never have done it, and we would never have seen telephones in this world. So it was his commitment that made him successful. The things you want in your life will not be delivered to you on a silver plate. The reality is that there is only one person who could make the law of attraction work for you, and that person is only you. So be careful. Thank you very much.